Well, hello. So we are going to talk about creating social media marketing posts using tried and true marketing models. And this is important because when creating a caption, you want it to be persuasive. A lot of our captions are the marketing. The captions are where you're actually telling them what's going on. And creating a captivating and persuasive caption takes a lot of thinking. And what we're going to do here is actually show you how you can actually do that easily. Or you can create social media posts using tried and true marketing models. And a marketing model is it's an advertising model that serves as a blueprint to help create persuasive content. I stress the word persuasive because, again, why are you doing marketing? You want to persuade. And so you want your captions to be persuasive. And it's very important that they work. And that's what makes them important. These ones that we're going to talk about important because they're tried and true templates that have worked over time. These are templates that we use to create content for ourselves, for our clients, and they work. And so in this instance, you do not have to reinvent the wheel because it works. Even for the fact that you didn't go to advertising or marketing school, that doesn't matter. You could still use these things because they work. And ultimately, this makes creating persuasive content easier. You don't have to go through the post delay syndrome where you're wondering, what should I post, or how should I go about it? Because you already know you are the expert of your business. So you already know the great bells and whistles about your business. It's about putting it in a template and making it work. And this just makes your content calendar way easier. Creating a content calendar, I mean, you could just create posts for days and days and days once you have these models. Or templates that you can use. So this will totally help you. And we're going to cover ones here that we know have worked. These are the ones that we use. These are industry-based ones. We didn't create these. These are what advertisers use in the industry. These are things that have brought results. A lot of the things that you see, commercials and all that stuff, TV posts, content, follow this model. So pay attention because this will be helpful. Once you start using this, you will see the difference in your engagement. You will see the difference in your numbers because now you are actually communicating with the psychology of marketing, which has to do with putting out persuasive content. So the first one we're going to talk about is AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. The next one is the PAS framework. Their marketing frameworks, advertising frameworks, problem, agitate, and solution. And the other one we're going to talk about here is the BAB, before, after, and bridge. Now, these are three models there are tons of models out there, but these three models we know are tried and true and will give you great results and are quite basic and very easy to understand. Or at least easier to understand, I should say. So we're going to start first with the AIDA one, and we're going to use a nutrition company. Now, what are we doing again is creating a very great caption post for a nutrition company that will captivate people and make them act. So here's the AIDA one, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. So the first one we'll start with, the attention is, do you want to be healthier? Well, that makes sense. That strikes your attention. Somebody just taps your back like, hey, do you want to be healthier? Yeah. Kind of look like, oh yeah, I do. I do want to be healthier. And so for an interest, for your company now, you go, the interest is, we have the perfect solution for you. Our online nutrition products are designed to help you reach your health goals, plus our team of experts are available to provide personalized health services that will help you stay on track. That's the interest. That's what you're looking for. That's the interest. And then, what is then the desired action that you will get from that? Because this is what interests you, but at the end of the day, you want to know what the desired action is, right? With Help Nutrition, that's the name of the company, reaching your goals, your health goals, is easy and affordable. Plus, you'll have access to the latest research and products so you can always make the best choices for your health. So see, the attention is taken care of, interest is taken care of, now is the desire. And with the desire is you want your health goals, you want to reach your health goals because you wanted to be healthier, but additionally in an easy and affordable way. And then an additional benefit is you have the latest research and products so you can always make the best choices for your health. You can see how that flows. And so what then is the action? Because it's marketing, this calls for a call to action. You might have heard CTA. Call to action is sign up today for a free consultation with one of our experts. And now we have created a good marketing post there, a good social media post there. email even, because now when you want to post, all you got to do is, boom, take that away. Boom, take that away. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, take that away. And then take that away. And now you have your post here, your social media post broken down for you. Simple and easy. And all you got to do then is you just copy and you paste. And that's it. The next one, which is the before-after bridge framework. Before-after bridge framework. And we're going to use an accounting company in this instance. So we're going to come here and get our accounting company. And so before, let's see, you are struggling to keep track of your finances and you don't know where to turn. You've tried using accounting software before, but it was too complicated and you gave up. Well, guess what? After, with Help Accounting, you'll get access to professional accountants who will help you every step of the way. We make it easy for you to keep track of your expenses, income, and taxes so you can focus on what's important. See that? Before, your struggle, after, where you want to be, and the bridge is then us, the accounting firm. Here, get help with your accounting needs from the professionals at Help Accounting. We make it easy for you to stay organized and control your finances. Now, you can see that we have the before, after, and the bridge. And again, when you want to do your posts, all you got to do is take those out, take this out, and now you have your posts here. All you got to do again is you copy and you paste in your captions. And now you have a good amount of content that you could just put there without doing so much thinking. Now let's go into the next one, which is the PAS framework. It's a problem, agitate, and solution. We'll be using the mechanic company for this one because we wanted to do product services. And let's see. So here it is. So, problem is you love your car, but you're not a mechanic. It's hard to know what service your engine needs and when it's time for a tune-up. Well, what is agitating is ignorance isn't bliss in this instance. When it comes to car maintenance, not only can small problems turn into big ones if they're not taken care of, but neglecting your car's health can also end up costing you more in the long run. Wow. And all this is quite agitating. So for me not to be agitated based on a problem that I might have, we have a solution for you as a business, which is why we're here. The business is here to solve. And so here we go. Help Mechanic is here to help take the guesswork out of your engine maintenance. We provide an easy-to-use platform that will recommend services based on your car make and model. Plus, we offer competitive prices on all our services so you can keep your car running smoothly without breaking the bank, as you can see. And when you're ready to do your post, after you've created that, you just take all these out. Boom, boom, booms. These are the booms. Another boom. And now you have your post once you copy and paste. So now you can see we've done an AIDA post, we've done a BAB post, we've done a PAS post, and these are tried and true marketing frameworks, advertising frameworks. So if you're looking to create posts that will actually persuade people, this is how you can go about it, by using these marketing frameworks. So to wrap it up, share what frameworks you've used that have worked. Even if you've created one, we would like to know. We always like looking for frameworks because they're there to persuade, and whatever works is what we want to do, what we want to use. So if you like the frameworks, though, if you like these frameworks, how they're created, but you don't have the time to create it, contact us. We'll be very happy to create it for you. We could do the post for you in a spreadsheet and just send it to you, and then you have it, and you could just add it to your content or upload it to your content calendar. Totally up to you. And then subscribe to our channel to get more marketing tips, tools, and all that, because we share that information. And when you subscribe to us, it gives us the motivation to to keep doing these things. And finally, we have a 30-day free content calendar that you can download with these frameworks in there. That's huge already. On how you can split them during the week, maybe an AIDA post on Monday, and then on Wednesday, it's actually a PAS post. And so we have a free calendar for you that you can actually download to use those frameworks easily. And I hope this was helpful. If you do know, some frameworks that work, again, please feel free to share. And we look forward to always interacting with you guys. So till next time, hopefully this helps.